Okay, after printing machine finish, we can use this one machine to detecting a lot of things about your product. Because this one machine we have the control system, we can make sure can detecting about the number code, about the QR code, about the design. Also a lot of different things we can use our system to detecting. We can use the high speed running, and if your product is very big, okay, so you can use the 2 camera, I think it's better. After the not perfect product come out, the airborne system will let the biggest power to let your product go to the down area. This one is the airborne system. The airborne system will let the not perfect product easy to go to the down of area. Make sure all product come out on top of the machine is perfect. Okay, even the small product also we can finish. And small product can finish no problem. So you can put the small product, you can put the big product on the machine. After you detecting, I think can use 140 meter for 1 minute, this speed. Okay, so you can calculate the speed is very fast. And after you buy this one machine, it's easy to change the sample. After you finish one product, you can change the sample on the system. And after you change the other sample, you can start to testing the other product also is no problem. Okay, so this one is very suitable right now, the big factory to use. Right now a lot of factories, they need to produce the product to the end of the customer. Okay, and they need to use the series altitude, so this one machine is suitable right now.